Multiplying decimals by a multiple of 10. Max's mom bought a pack of 10 pens for her office. Max knows that each pen cost $1.02. When he asked her how much the whole pack cost, she told him that he could work that out by himself. Let's help Max solve the challenge that his mom gave him. First, we'll put the price of just one pen in the table. Each pen cost $1.02. That means we need 2-cent coins, 0 dimes, and $1 coin. Now we're going to calculate how much a pack of 10 pens costs. If there are 10 pens in each pack, we have to multiply the number of coins needed to buy one pen by 10. Press the button to multiply the 1-cent coins by 10. Now we have 20 1-cent coins. We can change 10-cent coins for 1 dime. Since we have 20, we're going to change them for 2 dimes. The next step is to multiply the dimes by 10. Since we don't have any, we can skip this step and multiply the dollar coins by 10. Press the button to multiply the $1 coins by 10. Now we have 10 $1 coins. Knowing that $10 coins is the same as a $10 bill, and since we have 10, we can change all our dollar coins for a $10 bill. Press the button to make the change. We've multiplied the price of each pen, $1.02, by the number of pens in the pack, 10. What is the result? Exactly! The pack costs $10.20. By multiplying $1.02 by 10, we got $10.20. Max has realized something. The number that we multiplied and the result contain the same digits in the same order, a 1 followed by a 0 and a 2. But the decimal point has jumped to the right, just one place, which is the same as the number of zeros that the 10 has. To multiply 1.02 by 10, we write the number, and we move the decimal point one place to the right, because the 10 only has 1 0. Max also wants to know how much a box of 100 pens would cost. In this case, Max has to multiply the value of 1 pen by 100. Let's help Max. How much money do you get if you multiply 2 cents by 100? Exactly! 2 $1 coins. Now we have to multiply the $1 coin by 100. How much money do you get if you multiply $1 by 100? Exactly! 1 $100 bill. Max already knows that the box of 100 pens costs $102 because we multiplied 1.02 by 100. What is the result of multiplying 1.02 by 100? Exactly! The box costs $102. By multiplying $1.02 by 100, we got $102. Again, the number we multiplied and the result contain the same digits in the same order. The decimal point jumped 2 places to the right, which is the same as the number of zeros in 100. To multiply 1.02 by 100, we write the number, and we move the decimal point 2 places to the right. This is because 100 has 2 zeros. Now we're going to practice. Since the numbers need to contain the same digits in the same order, I'll write them in. but you need to place the decimal point in the correct place. Very good! We have to move the decimal point 2 places to the right, and our result is 3,571.2. To finish, we're going to see if you can do it without any help. Solve the multiplications. Very good! The answer is 204.5. Solve the multiplication. Very good! The answer is 2,045. Solve the multiplication. Very good! Sometimes you can't move the decimal point because there aren't enough digits to the right. When this happens, we have to fill these spaces with zeros. The result of multiplying 2.045 by 10,000 is 20,450. Before we finish, we're going to look at another example. Here we have a decimal number, multiplied by another number followed by zeros. Solve the multiplication. Let's do it step by step. Let's transform this operation into one that we already know how to solve. Which of all these multiplications is equivalent to the number 200? Very good! Multiplying by 200 is the same as multiplying by 2 and then by 100. What is the result of multiplying 3.24 by 2? Very good! Now we have a multiplication of a decimal number by a unit followed by zeros. You know how to solve this. Go for it! Solve the multiplication. Correct! So, what is the result of multiplying 3.24 by 200? Very good! The result is 648. When we multiply a decimal number by another number followed by zeros, first we multiply the decimal by that number without taking the zeros into account. Then we move the decimal point as many places to the right as there are zeros in the number we're multiplying by. Since 200 has 2 zeros, we have to move the decimal point 2 places to the right. Once we've done this, we can see that 3.24 multiplied by 200 equals 648. Now you know how to multiply decimal numbers by a unit followed by zeros. Practice it during your session.